Are you looking for the best snowplows? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best snowplows on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Access Cover 80660 Utility Plow. The Access Utility Plow is designed to make your snow removal tasks easier and more efficient. It comes with an 84-inch aluminum blade that is both lightweight and durable, ensuring it can handle tough winter conditions. The package includes a push frame and a hardware kit, providing everything you need for a straightforward installation. Additionally, the angling interceptor feature allows you to adjust the blade's angle, enabling you to clear snow more effectively. Keep in mind that vehicles with modifications, like oversized tires or lift kits, may face fitment issues. This plow package is perfect for those looking to tackle heavy snow with ease. What we like: durable aluminum blade, complete installation kit, adjustable blade angle, efficient snow removal. Number 2. Country Manufacturing Zero-Turn Snowplow 4 feet wide. The Country Manufacturing Zero-Turn Snowplow 4 feet wide is a heavy-duty snowplow made of 11-gauge steel construction. It comes with both clamp-on and drill/bolt mounts, as well as poly edges for concrete and asphalt. Customers have found it easy to assemble and use on their mowers, with some needing to do a little fabrication to make it fit. It is capable of plowing up to 8 inches of snow, and has strong springs to prevent damage from heavy impacts. What we like: heavy-duty 11-gauge steel construction. Clamp-on and drill/bolt mounts included. Poly edges for concrete and asphalt included. Easy to assemble and use. Capable of plowing up to 8 inches of snow. Number 3. EBESTTECH 45-inch ATV Snowplow Kit. The EBESTTECH ATV Snowplow is designed for versatility, fitting various UTVs, ATVs, and golf carts. Its durable construction, featuring black powder-coated steel, ensures long-lasting performance while clearing snow effectively during winter. Installation is a breeze, as you can quickly attach or detach it using quick pins. The adjustable blade, extending 48 inches, allows you to angle it left or right, giving you control over how you tackle snow removal. This plow also includes safety features to protect your vehicle, making it an excellent choice for winter maintenance. What we like: wide compatibility with vehicles, durable steel construction, easy installation, adjustable blade angles, safety features included. Number 4. MotoAlliance Impact BCS Snowplow Attachment. The MotoAlliance Snowplow Attachment is specially designed for BCS 2-wheel tractors. It comes with a heavy-duty 46-inch straight plow blade made of 11-gauge steel. You get 2 bars, one for grading, leveling, and landscaping, and one specifically for snow plowing. The package includes everything you need for installation, such as push tubes, skid feet, mount plate, and installation hardware with clear instructions. With this attachment, you can easily tackle various tasks, from clearing snow to landscaping, making it a versatile tool for your walk-behind tractor. What we like: heavy-duty 46-inch plow blade. Includes all installation hardware. 2 bars for different tasks. Number 5. MCLAREN 94-inch skid steer snow plow. The MCLAREN snow plow blade is designed for efficient snow removal, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty tasks. Crafted from high-quality steel, this plow can handle even the thickest snow with ease. Its extra thick cutting edge ensures superior performance compared to standard options, allowing you to tackle more snow in less time. Built for durability, it features a reinforced frame that withstands extreme conditions, ensuring longevity. For added safety, reflectors are included to keep you visible while working on roadways, giving you peace of mind as you clear snow. What we like: durable construction, thick cutting edge, long-lasting design, safety reflectors included.